Yeah, you can do it anytime.
Well, actually, yeah, 15 minutes left in the dive.
It's up to you.
Okay.
Yeah, just let us know if you want 5 or 3. My co-pilot's firing them now. Understood.
Copy that.
Which, what's the spec number on these?
It's the number is increases just like any other one, consequential.
234, copy.
Square.
Does that go down? Tilt down?
Yeah. What do you got?
The little mound on the right was just spewing.
Oh, this little black.
Yep. And
Firing first one.
just spewing black stuff out.
Little guy's digging in there.
So watch lead. This mound that we're looking at the bottom was just spewing the gray sand out as we were coming in. Might be able to see it on replay.
Thank you. So did you see some sediment being spewed out from that?
No, I was typing in the sample number, unfortunately, so. But we'll be able to look at the replay.
I just fired one. Are you ready for the second one?
Yeah,
Watch
you can
do all 3.
Okay. That's the second one.
Give me more zoom video.
Nope, max.
Understood. Let me grab some lasers on it.
Another sea robin up ahead.
Yep. All right.
Go ahead, watch lead. I'm having trouble with the third one.
So reset and then there you go.
There
and
you
then
go.
reset again.
So watch lead, that was the third bottle.
Right.
What was that, Ron? Oh, you're doing replay or?
Yeah, replay.
Okay, understood.
This looks like a new excavation too. With that, you can see the sediment coming out.
Piling it. Somebody's down there digging.
Huh.
Well, maybe that's why the mounds don't build right adjacent, because the current just takes them down drift a little bit.
I wish he'd come out.
Yeah.
I know. Pilot, can we just sit and wait since this is the end of the dive?
Yeah.
Keep rotating around. We can look down deep.
Trying
At
to
least
get
for a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the best view as far down as possible.
Great, thank
We also
you.
have mini Zeus rolling.
more forward.
Yeah.
We also have mini Zeus, which you might be able to get a better angle on.
Well, it must have made it nervous because it's not digging as much now, it seems.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
We'll zoom in on HD2.
Yeah, absolutely.
Changing string 2 to HD2.
So yeah, that. You driving it, Fernando? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, even looking directly down into the hole from the other camera, I don't see anything.
And checking
Oh, well.
on the extra lights for HD1.
Yeah.
You can try, yeah.
It was still interesting, though, because that's
What
the
did you
first
say?
one we've
Lights.
seen actually
I got
being
it.
dug.
Okay.
Caught them in action.
Do you think those are just worm tubes that are hanging down on the sides?
I don't know, that's the shaggy stuff, I guess,
Yeah.
that we've been seeing.
You
Or
have,
just burrow
mini
traces
Zeus
where they,
back.
as they
Right.
burrow, they've left a
Understood.
mucus?
Thanks, co-pilot. Well, actually, did you want to stay here or did you want to keep moving?
No, I guess
Yeah,
we've seen the
go on.
action.
All right. Light's coming off.
But it sort of explains why they wouldn't have a big mound from
Right.
the excavation. It just blows away. I still don't know what the big mounds we did see were from, but
Which time we have, Josh?
So we're going to have you
Something
start
running
setting
over the
up
seafloor.
at 2010 UTC.
Understood.
And we want to be off the bottom at 2015.
Perfect.
There's something in a burrow. Oh, it's another black belly rosefish just sitting in one.
Yeah. Hanging out.
Look
Can
at all
snap-
of them.
can snap it if you wanted. It's a little guy.
Little tiny guy. So I really wonder whether they
How much
use
zoom do we
different
have?
habitat when they're real young versus
Just getting
later
started.
in life. But they certainly don't look like great swimmers to make it a far distance.
I know they'd have to swim into the current to get to the kind of habitat we
Is that
saw.
a 30 times zoom?
No, this is
Oh,
like 19, 20,
19, 20?
They have very big eyes.
definitely looks like a baby though.
18 maybe.
Yes.
Okay. Well, look at in serious view. You can tilt up to see that if you want to. It'll float by, I think. Jelly.
A few more squid coming by.
We started the dive with squid and we are ending the dive with squid.
Yes.
Go ahead, Bridge. Sounds good. Turn at will. They're going to adjust their heading here.
Copy. Got some curious squid here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little fish out there. Better look out.
A couple little mounds there.
Uh-oh.
Dum dum. Da 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 da. Uh-oh. Might have a situation. They're so fast.
Squid are definitely back all around D2 from the Sirius view. So I think another southern hake. Some very nice mounds.
They are. Well, a lot of unanswered questions today. Such is the nature of science.
Right.
You can answer one and ask 10 more.
Yeah. But the one that we did answer was whether those bubble plumes that were detected actually were seepage from the seafloor, and we found that to be true. Not rich chemosynthetic communities, but bacterial mats and definitely bubble plumes from the seafloor.
Jelly. Your view again.
Yep.
So kudos to the mapping team, and many thanks to Carolyn Ruppel for her narratives on bubble plumes and her previous work.
And for supplying us with those
and
data
yes,
points.
For contributing so much to this dives effort. And even contributing the name of the expedition.
Right, that's true. It all comes back around.
Yep.
Over a decade later. Very different platforms for observing the seafloor.
And tomorrow's dive, we will be searching for more of these types of features in a different canyon.
We're going to be in Keller Canyon tomorrow, so just a little bit north of where we are now. And Keller Canyon is a very complex canyon feature.
Yes, very, very steep ridges and narrow channels of the canyon. So we still haven't figured out the best and safest dive route. So those of you who are still listening, appreciate you joining in on our dive plan call in the morning. Or, I'm sorry.
Right after this.
Right after this. Tomorrow morning, we also invite you to join in the pre-dive call. But the dive planning call will be right after this, and we hope to have some more input on the most suitable dive track. And Derek's getting all ready for that now.
Is that another cancer crab?
Looks a little yellow.
It
Maybe
is
he's
yellow.
Not quite there anymore.
Yeah.
You can snap it
Jaundiced.
if you want to.
No, I think he's no longer with us.
Wonder if that's a molt. But
Could be a molt. Otherwise, it probably would have been
yeah, eaten. Or in pieces, yeah, for sure.
Okay, video. Gonna start stowing the lower
Alright.
arms on upper
That's
swing arms.
the end of the
That
dive.
orange thing.
Watch the snap.
Still another
That
fish.
concludes the dive for today.
Thanks very much, Nav. And we're going to be lifting off the seafloor now, ending the dive. So thank you everybody very much for joining us today.
Alright, you turn.
We got to.
Starboard.
Went up about
Yeah.
a degree,
I gotta turn
9.6
1
now.
full. We gotta turn one
Yeah.
and a half, I think.
Alright.
And this is Leslie Sauter from College of Charleston aboard the Okeanos Explorer,
And this is Cheryl Morrison from the U.S. Geological Survey.
and hope you will join us again tomorrow.
Okay, both turn right.
Who made this map?